So we used to say that the fashion of the moment is to have a UGC creator, but now we can also have it with the AI influencer via Higgsfield.ai. Let's stay tuned and see together how to create one. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from One and Solely, and today, well, I just realized that I'm too old to be a UGC creator, but via Higgsfield.ai I can eventually create an AI influencer and monetize it already. These are the two news that Higgsfield introduced as of today or yesterday, and they are already up and running. So let's see together how to create these AI influencer and how to monetize it instantly. Now, as you can see, here we are on the platform, and the platform has a part that is called Earn. We can see Higgsfield Earn. Here you have the two campaigns that are active at the moment. So if you create contents via your AI influencer, you can monetize already. But how to create one? Let's see together. I want to have a human, and then eventually you can pick up all the other dimensions for this character. I want to add one. I did create one already with my resemblance, but this one is a new AI influencer. So let's say that we want it a male, and let's say that we want to fine tune with the kind of skin, the color, and the mood. You can really have it personalized, or you can go for one of the models that have been generated already. So let's try to have it as simple as possible. We don't want to have weird resemblance crocodile. You can have very fancy ones, you can have very creative ones, but in this case, since we want to have it as an AI influencer, it needs to be a humans because people need to identify with it. So we want to choose the kind of hair, and if you want to have freckles or not, the color of the hair, the slim type, the face type, you want to have it stronger, thinner, slimmer, the face needs to be human, and if you want to have any additional like horns or stuff. And so in the very end, after we choose all the details, including the lips, you see here it's populating as we speak the list of details as we really want them. So here I'm going for a regular skin, and we're good. This is a surface pattern with no tattoos, no strange tongues, nothing really difficult to have. And then you can choose the body type. Let's say that we want to have it lean, not too athletic, not too muscular, not too fat, just a lean kind of body. And then eventually it asks you, does it have regular arms, left and right, and regular legs, left and right. So anything is normal. Once you fulfilled all your choices, then you can eventually add a little something, this kind of hairstyle. We want to have short hair because it's a young boy, no tattoos, nothing difficult. And then we have to ask it to generate it. And once we send it to be generated, you'll see it's going to be in the queue for a few minutes because there are so many people right now that are connected that want to have this AI influencer to monetize, and then it will be in progress and it will give us the end result. Now let's cut it short. As you can see, I cut the part where it was in queue and in progress. And once we have our character, this is going to be our AI influencer. Give it another few seconds. I saw the end result already. It's great. It's very, very well done. And I was saying, once we have it, we want to animate it because this is the next step for generation with the AI. You want to have your character and you want to have the animation. Now, you will be able to choose what kind of animation, or you will be able to copy the movements that you prepared already.
Get out my hay, bitch, get out my hay. Milkshake brings all the boys to the farm, and they're like, it's better than yours.
She'd be like, why didn't you call me back? And I'd be like, why are you so obsessed with me? She'd be like, why didn't you call me back? And I'd be like, why are you so obsessed with me?
So in this case, we have Glenn He is sitting here in a supermarket. He's staying against the wall, and this is his facial expression. I'm quite pleased with the end result. And right now, let's say that we want to animate Glenn. We go here now. It picked up by itself the latest video that I generated, always via the platform Higgsfield. And now we're gonna ask. Here you can choose any other kind of movements. I don't know if you want to have popular dance passes, or as you can see, these are pre-filled, but you can eventually write the prompt exactly as you want it to be developed. In this case, I'm not writing any prompt. I said copy the video that I created already. And this is the end result. It's vertical because I'm gonna use it here. As you can see, it's a great end result. Or you can copy, in this case, the movements of this character which is dancing already. You have plenty freedom. So feel free to create videos with Higgsfield or to record videos of yourself and then ask the platform to put that very character, the AI influencer that you generated, to copy your movements. So in the very end, it will do exactly the same things that you used to do if you don't want to use your faith, and then go to Higgsfield, earn, join the campaign that are active, and you can monetize. Now, guys, this is something for new generations only because I'm an old style guy. I use Higgsfield to create maybe B-roll videos or to animate or to simulate variances of the same photo that I shot. But in this case, you can really go wild with your AI influencer and the new Earn platform that they just introduced. If you have any questions, please let me know down here in the comments. Otherwise, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any videos to come. And I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.